Hi, I'm Ben from FitFix Australia. We specialise in repairs, service and preventative maintenance to fitness equipment. What I'd like to show you here today is a treadmill which has come up with a E7 error message. Now this particular treadmill is a BH Fitness treadmill, but it can be, most brands will have the same error message and same fault function as well. Which here what we've got is it's showing an E7 error message and the number 2000. This number can be any number. It can actually be 1, or it can actually be flashing, or at 2000 here. So if it's at 1 or if it's 2000 or above, it's going to be steady like this, or it could be flashing, say around about 380 to 400, 380 to 400, back and forth like that, and that is saying that that's where its fault, that's where the fault line is. So with this particular one, it's set at 2000, which means it's wound right down to the bottom of the threaded collar on the incline and jammed up against the main housing of the incline motor. So what we'll try to do here is to basically reset this treadmill through the console itself. What we need to do is press and hold the stop button and also press and hold the incline down button to get this number down to around about 280. Because this is at 2000, we're going to be pressing the incline down button with the stop button to get it down to 280. If this number was below 280, or whether it was 1 or it was flashing between 140, 160, 140, 160, something like that, you need to press stop and incline up, which will take it up to the 280 number which it needs to be at. So what we'll do here is press and hold the stop. About half a second after that, press and hold incline down to see if this will reset. Now you hear that beep. You'll want to wait a few extra seconds to see if the number starts counting down. But this one looks like it's not going to want to reset. Just wait a few extra seconds, which no, it's not going to want to reset. So what we'll do here is let go. It looks like here it's actually reset, but usually after a few seconds or once you press start, it'll actually come up with the same error fault again, which this one's just flicked over to the same error fault straight away. So what we'll need to do here is look down below underneath the hood cover. So you want to remove the hood cover. And you can see here that the incline threaded collar has actually wound right down and jammed up against the body housing of the incline motor. So this shouldn't be jammed up tight here. There should be about a 2 or 3 thread length gap between this collar and the incline housing. So what we'll need to do here is actually replace this circuit board here, because the circuit board has actually is the thing that's malfunctioned. The incline motor has wound down too far and jammed up, but this has actually infected the circuit board and blown that circuit board. So what we'll basically need to do is just to undo all these wires and replace the board itself, and then reset the incline motor to suit the new circuit board.